Hello everyone, my name is Shine. Today I am a month late, but I am finally reacting to Witz. They have debuted and I am in love. I am so happy. I have not heard it yet, but I'm really happy and in love with the fact that they have debuted. So, they are actually now a five-member team. They added 2 people to the team. So Witz. Oh my gosh. Witz has Juan, Eson, Xion, obviously you all know Xion, and Min, and Kyung-hyun. Okay, names. But yes, they debuted with the song Let's Get Loud. I'm pretty excited for this, y'all. I'm really happy to see that Xion finally debuted. It's been a while since we've seen him, so I'm actually pretty excited. Like, I did do, pre-debut reactions to Witz, also known now as Wiinthozone. So I'm pretty excited to see what their debut is like. So, without further ado, this is Wiinthozone, Witz, Wiinthozone, with Let's Get Loud. Here we go. Okay.
Talking about this a long time ago. Wiinthozone. 우리가 맘에 든다면 제대로 bet on. Let's get loud. 주지 말고 페이스대로 make it. 우리가 만든 원하는 날 없어. 너무 높게 하는 baseline. 기준될 필요는 없어. 이제 날 보면 괴롭다도 돼. I just wanna show you on my way.
Does something happen to his eyes? Is that why he's wearing sunglasses in that one scene? Here? Or is it just to look cool? Oh no, it's just for the video, okay. Oh, I love it. It very fits the summer. It really fits. Oh my god, stop. It really fits the summer. And like I said, I'm super proud of Xion for finally debuting. I'm actually kind of curious if they're actually supposed to be a 6-member group, but we ain't gonna talk about that right now. But like I said, super proud of them finally debuting. Like I said, They were originally 3. They added 2 more people. And I did react to Bet on Me. Why did I call it Bet? New Ways Why. Anyway, We in the Zone, Bets on Me, Love, and then their last performance, Better, I think. Right? I don't remember. But yes, I'm really happy and proud to see that they have finally debuted. Super excited for them. Like I said, congrats boys on debuting. Sorry it took me so long to react to these kiddos. But I finally did. Super happy, super proud. Really cannot wait to see more from them. June, please take care of them. They're a talented bunch of kiddos. This song definitely fits the summer, as summer is here in Korea. It hit very hard, like late May, and I am suffering. Anyway, this is a very fun song to get like down to start your day with and whatnot. But yeah, really love it. Congrats again, Wiinthezone, for your debut. Terribly sorry I'm late on reacting to this, but hopefully you get to see more of them this year. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.